Whether you are hosting a workshop, running an online course, or recognizing a team member, giving them a professional certificate makes all the difference. But you don't need expensive design software or hours of training to create one. In this video, I am going to show you step by step on how to design a high quality print ready certificate in Canva in under 5 minutes, completely for free. We will cover the ideal layout, adding gold seals and signature lines, plus the exact export settings you need so your design doesn't look blurry when printed. I am Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. Now, the very first thing I will do is to go to Canva. I will just type canva.com. I will also put the link in the description box below. Once I do that, I will come up here and write certificate template. Once I do that, I'll press enter from the keyboard and wait for it to load. You can see we have different certificate templates here, so I can go on and choose any one of my choice. Remember, if you are using a free Canva account, these buttons here will show you the ones that you will not use. This crown here shows the one that you cannot use as a free user. Okay, you all remember that I always use free. Okay, but today I have a paid account and I'll be using it for some time. So if I click here on the more, you will see more templates that are free to use. But since I have paid account, let me choose on a paid one. So let me use this. I'll just click on this and again check if this is what I want. If this match what I want, I will use it or just choose any other style. So because I like this, I'll go on to click it. Remember, we made mention of gold seal. So you can choose anyone that has gold seal, or let's say if I want this, I can choose this. Okay, depending on the paid, whether you have paid account or free account. So since I want this, I will click on use this template. Immediately I click on that, I'll wait for it to load. Once we have this here, you can see this shows certificate of participation. If this is what we want, we can use it or we change it. For this, I am going to change it to certificate of completion. So I'll just double click or click to highlight, then change the words here, the letter here. So now I am going to use completion. Certificate of completion. Remember, you can use this slider to zoom out or zoom in. Then you use the scroll button and work on whatever you want to work on. This certificate is proudly presented to. So here now you put the name of the person. Assuming this is my certificate, I will add my name. So this is my name. Okay. From here, we'll have Lorem Ipsum. You will change this word. Okay. So now I have prepared something that I will put here. Let me paste it. So for me to do that, I'll first of all highlight. So after highlighting, I will then paste whatever I want to use. Maybe I might decide to bring this one down, or if I like, I can just click to increase the font, make it bold if I want, or remove the bold depending on what I want. So from here, you can see that we'll have a date here, date and signature. You can also import your signature or change what we have here. What we have here is 2023. Let me change it to 2026 award. So as simple as that, you have your certificate. And if you want to put your logo, maybe the company logo, you can bring in here. You can bring it in here. Okay, what I will do next is to bring in my logo. So I will change this to certificate of completion. Then use this button to spread it. So make it bold. Then this one will now be the name of the organization. So you can see that is making more sense now. It's making more sense now. If I now want the company logo, I can upload it. Just come to the upload button here. Then click on this upload and look for the company logo. So let me now use this image here as the company logo. I'll just position it here. Okay. Yes. So this is what it will look like. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to export it. Once we export this, anybody can now use it. Or you leave it like this anytime you have your signature. Okay, let me also bring in my signature. So I will click here, the same upload, look for my signature. Once I see my signature, I will click on it to upload, then bring it in here. From here, I will reduce the size so we have our signature here. I have already edited it, remove the background so that it will not cluster or cover whatever I am doing here. I hope you know how to remove background. If you don't know, make a request in the comment section and I will show you how to do that. If you want to put date, you can just bring in fresh text by clicking here, then click on this type of text or this one, any one of your choice. Let me use this. Then bring it down here. You will now write date. Today is 22nd. Let's assume it's on 20th August 2026. So I have my date here. I can position it here. If I want, I can change the font to any other thing. Maybe if I want, I can use this. So just to show you how to change some of these things. Or you can as well reduce the size so that it will fit well in this place. Now, let us publish this certificate. If you want to publish it, all you need to do is to come to this place where we have share button. When you click on share button, you then click on download. That is what you need to do in order to publish. So if you click on download now, it is showing us how do we want to download it. Do we want to use PNG or do we want to use PDF? Assuming that we want to print this thing out, we are going to use PDF in order to print it out. But if you just want to share it online, maybe through email, you can use PNG or JPEG. So for print out, we are going to use PDF. And if you are sending this thing out with PDF, you also decide the person you are sending it to, will the person use it just digitally or will the person eventually print it out? For that, you are going to use print. If you use print, here, you will now change this thing. Don't leave it at RGB. This RGB is mainly for computer screen digitally. So, but for printout, you are going to use CMYK. But I am on education plan, so I will still not be able to use this, okay? Even though it's pro, but it's for education, for us educators. So we are going to leave it as digital. And if you are on a total basic plan, you will not see these options. You only see standard PDF. Once you select your options, you click on download. Now, it is downloading. Let us wait for it to complete this process so that we open our file. Here we have it. So I'm going to open it right here in this browser. Do you see it? It is as simple as this. It is not difficult. So from here, you can send it as email or you distribute it the way you want. And that is how you build a professional custom certificate in Canva in just a few minutes. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up so that YouTube will recommend this video to many others. Also remember to subscribe to this channel for more fast practical skills. I produce important and helpful content in this channel every week. Drop a comment below if you ran into any question or if there is any other design tutorial you would like me to cover next. These videos here are my other contents on Canva tutorial. please click to watch any of them now, and I will see you there. Until next time, keep learning.